Anyway, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. As will be ante asema meka anope. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Anope mi mamunyina, good morning. Ebisam se mumpo mo bibi aboko de. Ye da twedi ampon kwa menase. Abrese medu kata wede be mapa mbo nyankopon ye da na se. So abomodin ade ende de adom minu mienu ni ye da so te ase. Na empen bebre no. Ade pa bi echi yesi ya. Na esese ye bomodin ade ya no fafa eda ewrade ase. So abomodin ama ye nkwa. Isane se wo nkwa wo ade. Wo nkwa wo anida so. Wo nkwa wo anije. Wo nkwa asambere wo anida so se da ma bi o twedi amponyame ne be sachire wiem. Ema wo nso ebesi wiye. Ye frame na Kwame Mpere. Ubetimi aframe the finest. The meme nyina aka chire ne me. Anopa mi cheche ankronkron bia wo de okasa fidie na to okoma 97.180. Mami nchia miame mama Mary. Salvation of Ambassadors of Salvation Prayer Ministry. Dachi anopa mi ma good morning. Na minchia odifo Edward of King's Prayer Ministry. Woni odifo J. Anopa mi ma good morning. Na mi mama dienchia Pastor BB Brown. Anopa good morning. Na minchia miame mama so. Ye from mama ohinewa. Anopa good morning. Enkoma yes ambre brother Papa in cancer and pay me my good morning. Anyway, for God and country, I sent na sibio. Na seni amuni musa no pe bia no ye no. Kai se ye be bompa ye edi amagana. Nyame pe na dum bi dum ye ne eda so te ase a. Abushia. Next week the Ambassadors of Salvation Prayer Ministry. We and national comedy as you see ever bomb pie the ama Ghana. You know, from next week Wednesday there, you could dim pie, a Garen pie, a wadachi, Ambassadors of Salvation Prayer Ministry. Yeah, mammy honor. I don't pay me mamma. Good morning. Yeah, mom pie Magana.
Up your mind down. Oh, come on radio. It's your baby.
And that being exactly the 15th day in the month of November 2022. Mami papa minua be ma minua ba utie me. Minim ni awoye. Ena minim ade a wani deso a wo hwe se Awurade de bedomo. But enne anopai. Se obebo modern ne me abompa ye ne de Ghana hye Awurade nsa. Akabe mani je pie be ma wo pa. Jaisa wo kase medium fame home wo NDC. Jaisa me kase nanado ayese. Jaisa wo kase samre medium me wo MPP. Me wo NDC, me wo CPP, me wo gum. Baby o man akodu se si anu aji mpaibo. Enti mami no mi enu ye mompa ya no pay. Otimimu. Me wa Jesus otimimu. Otima kumemuda. Ampa no carfo nyankopone o. Wo yo ti asefo nyankopon. Buru baseku basa ya do nyankopon wa wadani kokromati ayentimi san ho mbopo. Aye bia fo nyame dunsi a osi kwan fimfini bu aberefo. Ochesu nyame a wo chema ne so obia so. Anopai. Yeja Ghana hye wonsa. Esa ne sa wo yo no carfo nti nya waka bia beba betwam akọ. Ya waka bia samre edi afa o man kronkro Ghana ho ni awaka di afa ankronkro bia ho anopai no rade mi se ba betwam anopai ye gya ye ho hye wonsa ahonyehia ahokyere asamre abesua o man erade wa wabasa edu dise o masa wabasa yiso na wo de gye dom yenka nifo no nimdie enti ase erade no pe ena mesre wo wa no pe na ankrankran nwumadie bia omu di bia enne na yedi bia kwahwe ebusua yedi bia kwahwe mma erade fadomo wo yo ti asefo nyame wa wo ya hyase ne ewie nyankopon wa wo ka obi nkabi wona moba no so kasa kire epo etimi temdin erade kasagu Ghana abrabom kasagu o man krokro Ghana abrabom ye fiba mu ye nwuma ye mu ye contract ahodo emo ye pefi nkronkro ahodo erade ma wabasa no so ntimi nya adwuma na ye ho hihan kakra isane se ne emirwafo osu enkwakora su emrantie esu ayafo osu yenu masamre omhonam sisi omhonam so nyina esu yobia kan senti aketua nyina de yedi bedidi yentimi fu aketua anya bibia na but indeed we serve a living God yentimi ne use kwie be answer na 2022 be kona we no God will make a way when there seems to be no way ono no bokwan to baby ekwan ni obekasa ema me no mienu yebedi ye obekasa mo makrokro Ghana ye ha oyi nyina no ye covid abako ba ko bi ba ye no so ko ebi nso ba ebi nso ko enti we kire say no condition is permanent. Things will change any amamba sisa nyagidie na kroso wa bompa ye na Awurade be man nsa so ye from na Kwame Mpere we betimi aframe the finest and meme nyina ka chire ne me anopai otimimu oima mercy otimimu you Jesus otimimu otima na kumemuda He's faithful Winning pie watcher, abro, Costro, our Father, who art in heaven. Hello, be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgiving those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy in the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Ajidifu nyina mutimi wabontenje meso say amen kesiye pa. Juma the executive producer ye Kofi Anso ba for KB. Sanso na DJ Vibes. Wabenada akon. DJ Donzi. Ani abuafo aka na ebebere. Somebody dey me dom nyina asese nne. Yatena se ne the most safest, entertaining, exciting mid-morning show. Adwuma Adwuma. Bro, baby, I will be. Mima, good morning.
So
Dauro. Akoma Radio. Yeah. Dauro. Akoma Radio. Yeah.
some sweet wine. It's a new kind of wine.
I bought my boat from man. Me do talk up for be a train of tea. Matu no yumpa. No me die. No me down to no come from you. Or do you want being tea? Kunu aba. Kunu a chen. Hey. Adwuma Adwuma, Amara. Adwuma Adwuma, oh yeah. Adwuma Adwuma, Amara, Amara. Onye ni mtamu na mimuti. Adwuma da, adasuma na ninkum, na ninkum. Adwuma da, adasuma na ninkum. Ayasa na miwo. Bibi enyo. Adwuma da, adasuma na ninkum. Adasuma nani ayasa nami wo from me daddy ayasa nami ba from me honey ayasa nami ba from me sweetheart odo ayasa nami ba from me daddy I'm from me daddy from me daddy make a from me daddy.
Happy my download. Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio 97.1. Akoma Radio 97.1.
And I'm friendly daddy. Make a friendly daddy. And I'm friendly daddy. Friendly daddy. Make a friendly daddy. Upper from you, let me move you.
Spotted in Bamba Day.
Akoma Radio 97.1. Happy my download. Akoma Radio.
I'm a wooden team in the know. Me trust my tree, I'm a woo. But I wouldn't team in the know. I know it, my baby. I go away. With the mommy, so I don't go away. I'm a bozo is, can't you wait? I tell you what the money my one and the best. And the other things, so my man was a bet. I'm only for much of you, but you can check. The woman I'm on the other one, I'm every forward and better than I'm a woman. The love I got for you is not that you cannot play, not like them.
Happy my download. Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio 97.1.
My baby, small girl. Tanikua. From Mamina, you call my name. My baby, small girl. Tanikua. And I'm watching at them. Mamma, Tanikua. And I'm watching at them. Mamma, me don't know. From me daddy, yes, son of me, from me honey, yes, son of me, from me sweetheart, oh no, yes, son of me, from me daddy, and I'm from me daddy, make a friend me daddy, and I'm from me daddy, make a friend me daddy. Up from you, let me move you. Hey, friendly daddy, and I'm friendly daddy. Friendly daddy, make a friendly daddy. Daddy, and I'm friendly daddy. Hey, friendly daddy, make a friendly daddy. Up from you, let me move you.
Happy my download. Akoma Radio.
Yeah,
And it's just about 50 minutes per not 12 midday wo fi due mo a. Minim ni awo ye bia no ye ntem internet se wo hwe ye mre na nanse ye mre ni dwane pa. Wani be ba won so na ade asa. Anopai mami nchia o. Ye from mommies. Anopai me ma good morning bisa se wo mpo won. Bibia boko de. Na me momo de nchia ogri. When a mama material munina or mommy's joint and I'll pay me mom good morning. Adwuma Adwuma am wo nyina. Afi wo call join 57. Mama Okum Mefia Geti Wofa and I'll pay me mom nyina good morning. E wo a Ekropon Blue Station here. Na me mama de enchia negative say o pese usiesi o watch pa na watch no pese san yes foforo na anope mi chia negative woni mama mo anope mi mama good morning na fe mi chia Adwuma Adwuma mo Don Pablo Pap omo naija wetin dey shele na me mama dey chia jeje so anope mi mama good morning e wo Don Pablo Pap. Everyone jaga what it? Jaga I no pay me more good morning wahim bro. Na min cheje do wahim bro. Anyway, we are seated like nobody's business. I no pay be ma said yes me mo any ajo radio so. Na some radio. Mame nu enkopie mu Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital for Ashweye. Na Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital in collaboration with Heminainya a cataract project. They invite general public and say Momo Modiambra ni free surgery and famamo. It will be a summary I know say ete. Esi when in a swat. NGO bi a ye from Himalaya Omo abomodia ye omo ntoma abebo tete Kwame Memorial Hospital for omo ntoma no Eshase 14th frequency 16th of November 2022 so upesa wujin chemu pe a Fresera it was 0547 889292 0547-889292 na tete Kwame Memorial Hospital mampo ne kwapem ena me no ka say ye free surgery e dia mamo asamiri ete esimani so na ubo modien do eye eye clinic where tete Kwame wa ubetimi ayo booking kama doctor for behro na fe o ma booking ne dia ma ona wo call no me pa cho ye free obi aso ofre no agisika e wo ho ansa wa ya ma oboa we NGO bi na afa ho ka nyina e shase 14th no ekosi 16th November me mamu good morning every regionals will turn penny for sound of payment chiao all my semi asemti say about experience in the hotel business anymore omo de omo demu befu apa na obi a wakoda regionals bi enim senior regionals for share that show ma hoho o wa botre eni akosua ne mrante ne mabai si ye chinchim ye ho ne ye de ye ne ma tutu ye ni Regionals Hotel, our top class facilities. Executive room, twin rooms, deluxe rooms, standard rooms, economy rooms, swimming pool, conference room, restaurant. Nina no. Regionals Hotel, sabo modi ya chumi kabran ho. Abonsa paniema dano kwanso no kwanso. Edu komi krapem. Bonsa beka Regionals Hotel ho. Episode from 050 33 37788 050 33 37788 and 0244 333373. Richness Hotel, home with nature. Na Adwuma live band in penny for se mincha one pay na mi bisa se umpo mu boko de. Enra me ka se michel. Na asema me no ka sanka obetie mi asopam a. Ubo nse enye ba bia na obi a na yedi na ni kire na ho se ye koje eye band won ho. Band ni bi wono ma ombe hihye ne kama ba nkrofo ebebo no kra so ya asem foforo. Anything I make come for Adwuma live band any amount say be ye wedding party. Jumedie bi a wudi bi a wo hia Adwuma live band no. Oni omon kasa anopa ewie enwumre ombejo so. For Adwuma live band we kropon, Adwuma live band we tema. Osanso won cry. Or from 0242 267538 0242 267538 Adwuma live band. So betin nwumre de ye. Na Kojak Oraka ni Kojak Pro Code abadwa manso ameno kasa yi. Kojak the Kojak charcoal toothpaste a brush account e dey mo say ji na fatu wenum izane se pembebre se wenum yi nka na woni afofroti na wo kasa kras ofere anything I make am for Kojak charcoal toothpaste any Kojak charcoal toothbrush ye wo Kojak regular flower toothpaste ameno kasa yi ye wo free brush ehye ho any ye wo Kojak F sensitive bath and also me no kasa yi abusha eno bomodin to wenum evru asenase eyi nuane bia wodi bia aka bia afu wenum efe wodi Kojak P mat bath no e de ahohoro wenum na akọ we obi asamre tipaye code and flute e di unya we original pro code no wo ho abusha dro nyina no eye Kojak pharmacy and abomodin de abadwa manso local license chemical shop pharmacy across the country bibia won sabeke bi senye Kojak charcoal toothpaste ana Kojak regular flower toothpaste ana Kojak sensitive teeth paste na any enye teeth brush any teeth paste bia use no ene ne papa no what is here ena tipaye enso de enya be hwe we enye dura obetu ase kura na koye bibia ho wachi bidi something which is there original pro code nankasa and an open me come for the amount tipa ye code ni fluid aka Kojak Oracle and Kojak pro code for my crowd so mo beje wa 2 ama won so ni pedua na timi esi ni pedua so na quick credit and investment micro credit limited one crime say me to out of share ba startup loans emergency loan salary loans working capital loans ni existing business loans Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited in penny for se wo bi. Enti ni awunya e Ghana card no. Abusia from 030 2200390 and 0596 920833 0596 920833 and 030 2200390. Oka Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited, one crying. The startup loans, emergency loan, salary loans, any working capital loan, existing business loans. When you pursue a home up, Quick Credit, learning makes simple. What they are there? Anyway, my main chia in A.K.A Adwuma Enterprise for sure. Cement and as a quality building materials now will be at all. Pursue a home for A.K.A Adwuma Enterprise and upper area in numerous objects. A durable and affordable prices. Mamponi Crapim opposite at the Kwashi Hospital on Sabeka A.K.A Adwuma Enterprise or Abusha from 0244 429533 0244 429533 and 0244 857874 A.K.A Adwuma Enterprise. Also, what the Abomodi Gambra Nabejo building materials, Papa. I want to share. It's just about a 40 minutes pepe, not 12 midday. I will feed you more. And Chemedy and ne Abakosembe Mount. But stay tuned. Enjoy good music on radio. Me mamunyina good morning. And Mama Adwuma Adwuma. No Jim say Adwuma Paye. Oh yeah, man, walk for you. Me ma good morning.
Oh, crap your mind down roll. Akoma Radio. Oh, crap your mind down roll. Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio 97.1.
I am it all. Try. Not Jimmy say. He said, on me more. I don't mean go 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 on. Hey, daddy say me boy. Baby na me penno, eja di se me boy. Baby na me penno, we need do it yeah, all day yeah. Yami ama, all day yeah, yami amo. Inti onche matadi obeso she, onche mintu mo obeso fra, onche me budi obeso mintoma. No do you be yama o, onche matadi obeso she, onche mintu mo obeso fra. Onche me budi obeso mintoma. No do you be yama o. On me no, adami kwa. 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 Let's go. Oh baby be mine, baby be mine. Let's go. I'm gonna make you fine, cause you my sunshine, I'll never let you go. I'm gonna make you fine, cause you my sunshine, I'll never let you go. I'm the rock life dada, everything they do, I said I'm their father. I'm the rock life dada, everything they do, I said I'm their father. Come on, so baby, don't you worry. So just be happy, baby. So don't you worry. Just be happy. Yeah. Cause all the money on the mansion is gonna be yours, baby. Singing, don't you worry. So just be happy, baby. Don't you worry. Just be happy. Billy said, on me more. Adami kwa. On me more. Adami kwa. Messa wabaken. Nami wabaken here. Messa wabaken. Nami wabaken here. Akuma do. Ayahima, nakuma penu. Ayahima, ibole di amane bufu.
all the deep there. The body dear money boof, all the deep there. Ain't Miss me boo. Ain't Miss me boo. It's riding so, mommy's it's riding so, all the mommy's Kuma suma dia, kwani mida. Kuma suma dia, kwani mida. Bojina ni sumo, yeah. Oh, mama, Bojina ni sumo, yeah. Echa, pape, ubara huofe die matati yaka. Nima budo na mafanu, I am it all. Try. Now Jimmy say, Echa, baby, ubara huofe die matati yaka. Nima budo na mafanu, I am it all. Try. Now Jimmy say. Señorita, mamalita. Echa, pape, ubara huofe die matati yaka. Nima budo na mafanu, I am it all. Try. Now Jimmy say, Meaning say, I need more. I don't mean go. 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 Hey, daddy say me boy. Baby na me penno, ella dice me boy. Baby na me penno, we need to eat yeah, all day yeah. Yummy amma, all day yeah, yummy ammo. Inti onche matadi obeso she, onche mintu mo obeso fra, onche me budi obeso mintoma. No do you be yama o, onche matadi obeso she, onche mintu mo obeso fra. Onche me budi obeso mintoma. No do you be yama o. I need more. Adami kwa. 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 Let's go. Baby, skip on. Oh, baby, be mine. Baby, be mine. Let's go. I'm gonna make you fine, cause you my sunshine, I'll never let you go. I'm gonna make you fine, cause you my sunshine, I'll never let you go. I'm the rock life dada, everything they do, I said I'm their father. I'm the rock life dada, everything they do, I said I'm their father. Come on, so baby, don't you worry. So just be happy, baby. So don't you worry. Just be happy. Cause all the money on the mansion is gonna be yours, baby. Singing, don't you worry. So just be happy, baby. Don't you worry. Just be happy. Meaning say, I need more. I don't mean I need more. I don't mean all the deep there. The boy there money proof, all the deep there. Enti, Missy Ripper, enti, Missy Ripper, it's riding so, mommy's it's riding so, all the mommy's Kuma suma dia, kwani mida. Kuma suma dia, kwani mida.
A.K.A Radio 97.1. Clap your mind down, A.K.A Radio.
Situate a bema touch your muscle, so they can some that you are. A bail sound don't go and try to an Obama wedding. Situate a bema touch your muscle, so they can some that you are. A bail sound don't go and try to an Obama wedding. Mary man, yes, Namudi Mutiato, and so am I. Nitumufu Amuntie, Namushamu. Mary man, yes, Namudi Mutiato, and so am I. Nitumufu Amuntie, Namushamu. He said, my money, baby, wasting my time. Baby, wasting my time. Baby, wasting my time. On the so that I know. Baby, wasting my time. The brave wasting my time. The brave wasting my time. On the so not that I know. Oh, say I do I'm a she and I won't do not can cry. Say I do I'm a cuckoo I'm a oh I'm a say I do I'm a she and I won't do not can cry. Say I do I'm a cuckoo I'm a oh I'm a for mommy a good year. The man your boyfriend son go ye. Number me any who a day. Bemana ye. Baby, wasting my time. Baby, wasting my time. I'm so happy. And then I go back to Jojo. And then I will be a new Titan. And then I will be a set. And then I was saying. And then I will back to Jojo. And then I will be a new Titan. And then I will be a set. And then I was saying. Maybe your girlfriend's before. Back up at no door. Or bomb and sana can bro. I love you for an intro. Then maybe your girlfriend's before. Back up at no door. Or bomb and sana can bro. I love you for an intro. She na fena opentino. Don't send your hot cocoa. What's what on your man? Yes, I knew what you do. To someone in your Jesus, man, in your I can't go around and I'm pata. I bet you say, don't come at me. Wasting man the time. Same man, I'm rocker. Wasting man the time, and man the time. Then maybe your girlfriend's before. Back up another. From your son, I can't.
Clap your mind down, A.K.A Radio.
Baby, wasting man the time. Baby, wasting man time on the so not that I know.
A.K.A Radio 97.1.
Baby, wasting man time on the so.
Clap your mind down, A.K.A Radio.
Yeah, baby, I like the way you shake body. I get money.
sorry. Forget your worry. I dey come to spend so lash money. Why? Yeah, yeah, bro, that I am jam, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, bro, that I am, bro, yeah, bro. Hey, yeah, bro, that I am jam, bro. Yeah, yeah, bro, yeah, bro, yeah, bro, yeah, bro, yeah, bro. And then yeah, Friday, oh you go confirm me quack, oh you. Magi me play, me compare baby I kwasha kodi. Minti wu place, obi ampaka asembesi. Me du kokobi, me babe swa kofi akoti. Hey, hey, yeah bro, yeah bro, yeah bro. Yeah bro,
Kwame Shijuani
Kwame na Gigi Weni, Abuba Gigi Weni, Emre Papa Bini, Enti Shiji Weni, Shishi Weni, Kindi Buchi Weni, this is Shiji Weni, yeah bro dada and Ken bro yeah, oh yeah bro dada and Ken bro yeah bro dada and bro.
I had just about 24 minutes pepe na 12 midday wa hawo hu. Na maminchia commander Ado ewo eye district. Na minchia Roberta odofo na bibia aboko de. Na femi momodi enchia ankrankra bia samle mo bie kasafide hu amotie Chief Inspector Lukman Sulemana. Anopemi ma good morning. Se bibia aboko de. Nefemi Chief Inspector Arthur Ene Koro man Chase Officer Charles Anopemi ma good morning Ene Eben Anopemi Checha Munyina Nani a woman say
forget your worry I dey come to spend so lash
me hwesani a Ghana Blaster Squad no Oma na nka omo favorite wo mu eko World Cup bi na omo ntimi anko ankrofo anu ahono no unnim na okokon obi asem ya wo beje no bombo ebe fi eye individuals bi anu aba no na players bi wo no ma me no ka say yes ya bomodin drop yomo am say wa hwe awo barankrofon so ka say this is the best eye team a ye nyakura de akọ World Cup am say oh really awo anyway, major the mass force for no Yampa. Omo bebe exactly 1 p.m. Omo the Okuma Global Sports baby. But I say ye kata. Ye kata ewo Okuma 97.1 radio so ebeba so. And a few days to kick off no. As ye be schedule me na say kata 2022 no. Ti Okuma ye koho. Iti kacho obi no bi so kancho obi say sam ready Okuma the live interviews ni live commentary ni nyina no ebe bro na yekumi kra ne say watch out ye be ba joint ahodo ni abe fan telecast wo ho so at ya say ye ba joint wo na ya bomodin abe fa commentary ni live wo ho enti ni ehia ne so bomodin aba Okuma ha say me pese mu be yi bi wo maso ye ana say numbers ya me di be tudwe wo bomodin a friend number ni pa ye be jo so
you di metia you meet your meter Minchang Friday hashtag
wo fra 02058187480 02058187480 wo say samre kata na mo kono me pese me so me sponsor bi obia won a package maminchia Pastor Tieku ewo Allied Filling Station Papa anopemi ma good morning wonu adwuma yefo amo Allied nyina me padi ya me bobufu o ma me fans bebrebe me chia no ewo Star Oil ewo dawu iti maminchia Star Oil fo nyina anopemi ma good morning wo dawu any Star Oil ewo manfe anopemi ma good morning na minchia Allied Filling Station for Fianco Wone Amankwa anope me mam good morning. Bro nya bao. Aye pinso. But ye kokata so ati ase.
Hey, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Yanko Qatar live on Akuma 97.1.
If it is 20th November, the 18th December, 32 countries. Yeah, the 64 games Nina live commentary at the April on Akuma Radio 97.1.
Achadia need ye break predict the win Ebekosu during the live commentary on Akuma 97.1.
Shannon so say Akuma Yanko Qatar Jumadi no yerebe brel el wabuano.
Sao pasa samre obo ye chidoma ubetimi afre number say this way 0549012454 and 0246435565. Restaurant, bars, eye ankrankra samre mu pesa mu boy ye chidom akonya wo homa mo se mo be frɛ ne enu madinsa wo so. Yanko Qatar 2022 ewo Okuman 97.1 radio.
Okuman Yanko Qatar World Cup 2022 and ye share. Hey, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Yanko Qatar live on Akuma 97.1.
If it is 20th November, the 18th December, 32 countries. Yeah, the 64 games Nina live commentary at the April on Akuma Radio 97.1.
Achadia need ye break predict the win Ebekosu during the live commentary on Akuma 97.1.
Shannon so say Akuma Yanko Qatar Jumadi no yerebe brel el wabuano.
Sao pasa samre obo ye chidoma ubetimi afre number say this way 0549012454 and 0246435565. Restaurant, bars, eye ankrankra samre mu pesa mu boy ye chidom akonya wo homa mo se mo be frɛ ne enu madinsa wo so. Yanko Qatar 2022 ewo Okuman 97.1 radio.
Okuman Yanko Qatar World Cup 2022 and ye share.
Akropon Kapim. Akuma Radio 97.1.
Baby, do him some favor. I feel sad as if he man. Said I would do what you made him mash up and him do stuff if I may. I did what they maybe I didn't know some kind of a film. Hey, you're too sexy, you're too bad, you're too naughty. Why that is a Pepsi? Me to toss some more, but I want you know. Me did it sell me a moment. Me to toss some more, but I feel it. Me did it send to go and see if it's a bit of a hobby. So some point the couch and the bottom maybe I know you. So some point of be mistress, maybe I know you. So some point of be mistress, no, maybe I know you. When say shine, extra so very country. But to the very innocent, pretty girls so they would have passed a say, baby. We see a shine.
Happy mind Akuma Radio.
Pretty girls so they would have passed a say, it's a me and Obi. Obi a good on queer, let me and Obi. Obi a the budget, the other, let me and Obi. Obi a the pump, baby, let me and Obi. I do love you, but I don't know you well. You may love me too, but you may have someone else. I'm so many baby, pray up my sound on me. I'm so much in no be for free. Into me name, I come at you. I'm on a chink or time, my name. Not drunk or be wouldn't it? Be without the background, I can't tell you. He said, I'm my own, so shall no to me in it, and you to pay. Van cross your sorrow. In the figures of today, this is a bit.
Akuma Radio 97.1. Akuma Radio 97.1.
share. Me fita crowd me a hwa na mabaha. Me pebesi a onyu kuni na menata na. Inti menyo waka kan de kese na.
Akoma Radio.
My mom so much ade ma tade. Kade se wakodo. Ekuku wanke fi Fernando po. E original kiti hard to ho. Avu kwesu flow we sheri koko. Aye nini na share. Mama kaba. Omi big tree. Maba na maba.
Yeah, we got a stable. Never been a someone is not my baby. I did have him peno. I buy a ball banana about that cheap. Yeah, we got a stable. Never been a someone is not my baby. I did have him peno. I buy a ball banana about that cheap. Why a food that I morning come? The family no guy. Who can it be a morning sun? I don't call no darling. Why a food that I morning come? The family no guy. Who can it be a morning sun? I don't call no darling. I'm baby. Them pass them to me, baby, real. Them pass them to me, baby, dog. Bless them.
Open up your mind, Akoma Radio.
Baby, to him some I feel. I feel so just see feel man. Said I would do a Jamaican man, shoving him do stuff if I'm home. I do I would do maybe I didn't know some kind of my film. Hey, you're too sexy, you're too bad, you're too naughty. Why that is so Pepsi? Me to toss some more, but I want you know. Me did it say, be a moment. Me to toss some more, but I feel it. Me did it send to grab and see if it's a be a hobby. So some point the couch and the one to me be a hobby. So some point I be mistrust, na be a hobby. So some point I be mistrust, na be a hobby. When say shine, extra so I'm very control. But in the very innocent, pretty girls so they would have passed the same. Baby, me see a shine, but I'm super extra very control. But in the very innocent, pretty girls so they would have passed the same. It's a me and Obi, Obi a good on queer, let me and Obi, Obi a the budget, the other, let me and Obi, Obi a the pump, Obi a the pump, baby, let me and Obi. I don't love you, but I don't know you well. You may love me too, but you may have someone else. I'm so many way. Baby, pray up my sound on me. I'm so much in no be for free. Bring to me name I come at you. I'm on that chinko time my name. Not drunk or be udonti. Be udonti back I can't tell me. This I'm my own social no to me in the Daniel Tope. Van cross your suro. In the figures of today, this will be an hobby. Obi a good on queer, I'll be an eye. Let me an eye.
Me fita crowd me a hwa na mabaha. Me pebesi a onyu kuni na menata na. Inti menyo waka kan de kese na pa. Me pedo part to pana ko fi me nya koma. Inti tase na shase na chase me humo si ma mon so ma shade ma tade. Kade se wakodo. Ekuku wanke fi Fernando po. E original kiti hard to ho. Avu kwesu flow we sheri koko. Aye nini na share. Mama kaba, omi big tree. Maba na maba.
Yeah, we got a stable. Never been a someone is not my baby. I did have him peno. I buy a ball banana about that cheap. Yeah, we got a stable. Never been a someone is not my baby. I did have him peno. I buy a ball banana about that cheap. Why a food that I morning come? The family no guy. Who can it be a morning sun? I don't call no darling. Why a food that I morning come? The family no guy. Who can it be a morning sun? I don't call no darling. I'm baby. Them pass them to me, baby, real. Them pass them to me, baby, dog. Bless them in the man who is till in a man, I'm so me cry. Bless them in the man who is.
And you here, and you wanna, and marijuana pepper. Now, Uber Modian Bisa wine in town, Wahim Broma. Oh, anyway, yeah, the side pow. Anyway, why in town me chawa no pay? Yes, thank you so much for your support last weekend. When you'll be beer best support your command thank you concert, you know. Nami Shramu be Don Pablo Damase. Or command 97.1 radio Damase. Say be beer ye between ye tibiano. Or man for no best support here. Emani MIFFF. Na Samri Aminoka say we minimum say shakes ni bi koso Don Pablo Papo. And then Sebia Opesa won't be an on Sabekebi. Enti ma minchia judge na minchia ata na minchia omo Naija any jaga wonderful people and pay me mama good morning. Pretty girl so the other person say baby busy a share and chair but as about accent very country but in the very innocent pretty girl so the other person say it's a me and Obi Obi a good on queer let me and Obi Obi a the budget the other let me and Obi. Anyway, I have just about 10 minutes to say bye bye to you, but right about time there Mami Momo the uncle Edukrom na minchia mia minya ye for brother no pay me ma good morning Foster Ofori A.K.A brother and no pay good morning na minchia P-Lexoa ewo PSTS ewo Edukrom mechire Edutech na moji nsu wonifa if you're also on Nifa, any Nifa teacher phone na Ginola, and open me ma good morning. Na min ko Shiva Bashi baby, A.K.A Mr. Jude. Enti Mr. Jude Akodadi. Once who ayo kapema Mr. Jude Akodadi and open me ma good morning. Money Adwuma. One OT. Any boys ni nyina. Hey Mr. Fazo. Headmaster. And up me ma good morning Mr. Fazo. And up me jense bibia shey. Na minchia latte for PSTS for. Latte binkum. Teacher for mo nyina me mam good morning. Afi mam pompresek. Na minchia ebri. Konkondrufo oteneden se bibia boko. E hona papa ya be pie mu no ho. Oh okay. And find you be. Jealousy. Find you be. Ma when in con. And famine your garden. Ma when in con. When in con. And con. When in con.
Assalamu alaikum Adwuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon for frère mi yaro. Munti Adwuma Radio da edas.
Excuse me lady.
Anyway.
What you say? When you on your mama me put to
make I nyum we buy na meti radio bi so na meto nyum na mo bisa say me ka on ye tro ya na. India no pay to prove it to you no ma me share nyum na say. Guru. Excuse me. Hey.
Excuse me, lady.
Whoa, it is saying.
When you on your mama me put to
Will me Nana Kwame, what's it? I see no sad beauty, who ya cutie, who been me. We are sweetie. Hannah, Emmy, yes. Yeah, what do you know when I said? Equiaba, the way you rock it, Tiana, what of you with the bomb me a cutie. Sweetie, do you have a boyfriend?
I say yes I do.
Hona ye me ya no.
And I'm a catcher and say your love is big enough to share.
Odo na yese 1 liter yenche. Eno ma mi chia ensunya me ye choba wo man fie kape oye ma me fia. Eni ofu na kasama fo wa. Oni adwuma yefo amo ensunya me ye choba no pe me mam good morning. Ebisa se mumpo mo se bibia boko de. Afi ma mi chia me a. Me boss ba ko pe dry gun. E work upon dry gun bibia boko de. Hey to you Chameleon, long time no see bibia boko. And to the big guy himself, yeah. Mami Chia, shake the bowl, and open me my good morning. Hey, small boy, big name. Prince Nyok Besemeti, and open me my good morning. What's it? Ave me Chia, yeah. Dear Woo, and I'm Eddie. Just to all the men out there, I say good morning going out to you. Hey, you man no bonsi. Say bibi aboko there. Say me banana niema ye niema. Hello na. All right, but I was say we tie me bedu sambre. When Timmy and Cashew na beans. But one of true net Timmy I said your love nene Keka ho dia. The man with Timmy na say. I am your award-winning presenter. Your friend na Kwame Mpere. With me from the finest the meme na catch you in me. My said yes meba na mama radio no so ayo dembro so. But I said just a few days to Christmas so Christmas and che beba. Enti bibia wo bia no. You told me Lukisha. So what they give is a fans crumble the penny mommy TV when I want. Ibia we biano. Make sure so over her so ne abakosem ba Kwame de Bema say ne ye celebrating International Ethnics and Fraud Awareness Week. International Ethnics and Fraud Awareness week. Inti ne abakosem no ni amede ma oni nti save your momo pin. Usika na ya wo de do mobile phone so wo bo na obi hwe o fifi na ni no hwe sa na wo ko fie pe kosesa. Na abakosem no enne ye ya to say ethics and fraud awareness. Ethics and Fraud Awareness Week. Enne wiki nyina no sa ena mpanyina bomode International Ethics and Fraud Awareness Week. Ti hwenie obi amfa osika nkodwa nanka. Era wasise wutie me ni wedding kra nampa bebe se hia emre foforo meko break into two
A.K.A Radio.
Yeah. Oh na na, yeah, very pondy. Bambi, Bambi, my dear, my dear, my dear, my dear, I want you here. Don't get too near, for there's lions beware. Oh, Bambi, I won't.